Kaishal bhai. Okay. Yeah, Kaishal bhai, go ahead.
Can I
Dinesh bhai,
share the
just go
screen?
ahead. Yeah.
Sure,
Ahimsak
sure.
Eco-Vegan. Ahimsak Eco-Vegan.
This is Kaishal Dalal. I have recently joined Ahimsak Eco-Vegan Committee. Thanks, Sunny, for giving me the opportunity. First of all, I would like to thank JAINA President Haresh Bhai. What we have accomplished will not be possible without your support. So thank you so much. Now let me focus on committee's vision and then incorporate what we have accomplished and our future plans. Our vision is threefold: how we can increase the overall well-being of Jain community, how we can minimize violence against all living beings, and how we can contribute to ecology to promote peaceful living by all. So there are three aspects of overall well-being: physical health, mental and emotional health, and spiritual health or spiritual well-being. And all three goes hand in hand. Keeping balance is very important. What we can do spiritually will be limited by our physical and mental health. Uh, what we eat every day and our daily lifestyle is going to define our physical health. When we look around, we find lots of people in our community. They are suffering from chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, etc. With right diet and lifestyle management, we can reverse the chronic illnesses. We need to educate Jain community in this regard. And believe it or not, it comes down to eating plant-based diet and doing intermittent fasting that can take care of majority of our health problems. Now, mental and emotional health is governed by our state of mind. So fostering the values such as positive thinking, having gratitude for what we have, living in present and accepting all events that happens in our life is very important. And stress and anxieties are created not by actual events, but how we react to these events. So these values are going to help our youths in both their personal and professional lives. All Jain centers across North America and China, they are doing great job when it comes to spiritual well-being of the Jain community. We feel that we are in India when it comes to celebrating Paryushan or any other major events. We distributed 2022 JAINA Vegan Paryushan Cookbook. We have also done live cooking demo of some of the items from this Paryushan Cookbook. We accomplished three goals: training ourselves for only plant-based diet, training ourselves to stay away from dairy, at least during Paryushan. We all know about the violence involved against innocent animals in dairy industry, and furthering the cause of non-violence is at the heart of Paryushan. Animal agriculture causes more than 50% of greenhouse gases, and by staying away from dairy, we are contributing to ecology, at least during the Paryushan. Jain youths were really excited about this cookbook. They also asked about the cookbook that they can use all around the year outside of Paryushan and Tithis. And I am pleased to inform you that we are going to distribute Pramoda Ben Chitrabanu's book, Rainbow Food on the Vegan Plate, into PDF format to all JAINA members. IJA convention in Dallas was fully vegan, and Jain youths who are in the leadership position have really convinced themselves about the benefits of plant-based diet its ecological impact, and furthering the cause of non-violence against all living beings. Our committee members, Nisha Mehta, Sunny Jain, and Pratik Bansali, they developed the academic course Beyond Vegetarianism and Ahimsa in the Changing World. Committee members, Nisha Mehta, Sunny Jain, and Pratik Bansali, they developed this academic course Beyond Vegetarianism and Ahimsa in the Changing World. They are teaching this course through Arihanta Academy, the online learning platform. And we vision Arihanta Academy as our future online Jain university. And fees collected for this course will be donated to further the cause of Jivdaya. Also, Dr. Jeena Shah, one of our committee members, she has developed an amazing presentation on plant-based diet, outlining the health benefits, its ecological impact, and how it minimizes the violence against all living beings. We are also having a Jain vegan meetups in the major cities within US and around the globe, in the cities like Mumbai and London. So these are some of the pictures from those vegan meetups. Now, for the upcoming JAINA convention, we would like to invite the scholars who can educate Jain community about the healthy lifestyle and how we can reverse the chronic illnesses through diet and nutrition. Also, wanted to tell something about New York City Mayor. His name is Eric Adams, who is vegan, has implemented 1 day of plant-based diet in all New York City schools. And taking the same idea, we would like to engage youths where we have major Jain centers to work with local school districts and convince them to have at least 1 day of plant-based food. This can have tremendous effect outside of Jain community. And White House recently had conference to address the problem of obesity and early deaths in US. And it was focused on diet and nutrition. Here are the 7 recommendations of that conference. Treat food as medicine. Focus on quality of calories, not just quantity. Expand access to dietary and lifestyle counseling. Support food entrepreneurs. Increase the number of new farmers growing the healthy foods. Make school meals free for all students, and establish a new role in federal government, a national director of food and nutrition, a food czar figure. And the bottom line, this conference concluded that plant-based diet is the key to address the problem of obesity and early deaths in US. And in my closing remarks, I will say, life is very precious and the life is very fragile. Handle it with care. If you want to live healthy and happily without any suffering, adopt a plant-based diet in your day-to-day life. And this is from my personal experience, and this concludes my presentation. And thank you so much for listening. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Kaishal and Sunny presenting this. Really appreciate. We nowadays we are going eco-vegan, so things are happening throughout the world slowly and more. Appreciate and thank you.